Hello everybody, and welcome to this platform. And today's video we have given question, Mathematical Olympiad question, of course, 8 power x plus 2 power x equals to 30. Solution. Very quickly, and remember that first thing is to copy what we have. We have 8 power x plus 2 power x, which is equal to 30. And if you have seen nicely 8 and 2, and they have relationships, so we have to change this 8 into base 2 to get 2 power 3, then power x plus 2 power x equals to 30. We can interchange power to get 2 power x, then power 3, nothing changed, plus 2 power x equals to 30. At this stage we have base which are equal. We have 2 power x, we have 2 power x. Write t, we can write to any variable we want to be equal to 2 power x to get what? T power 3 plus t will be 30, and at this stage t power 3 plus t minus 30 is equal to 0, and here t power 3 plus t minus 30 can be replaced by minus 27 minus 3, which is equal to 0, and right here t power 3 minus 27 plus t minus 3 will be 0, and of course t power 3 minus 3 squared, 3 cubic, plus t minus 3 will be 0, and this one only can be written as a t minus 3, then times t squared plus 3 squared plus 3t, then plus this one t minus 3, which is equal to 0. At this stage we can factorize t minus 3 to get t minus 3, then open bracket of t squared plus 9 plus t, then plus 1 from here to get equal to 0. At this stage t minus 3, then times open bracket of t squared plus, but here I have 3t plus 10 plus 3t will be 0. At this stage we can equalize each equation equal to 0 to get what? T will be 3 right here, or t squared plus 10 plus 3t will be 0. Of course this is quadratic equation, we can arrange them. T squared plus 3t plus 10, this is equal to 0. We can find delta, which is equal to b squared minus 4ac, and this will be b squared is equal to 9 minus 4 times 1 times 10, and this is equal to 9 minus 40, and here this one will be negative 31, which is less than to 0 and will be rejected. We shall remain with t, which is equal to 3, and we have said that t is equal to 2 power x at this stage, so that we have to say 3 is equal to 2 power x, then by applying logarithm on both sides we shall say logarithm of 3 is equal to logarithm of 2 power x, right? Then logarithm of 3 will be x logarithm of 2. Then by logarithm of 2 by logarithm of 2. Finally, x will be logarithm of 3 over to the base 2. And this is our solution. And here we can check if the answer is correct, because we have given that 8 power x plus 2 power x is equal to 30. And of course we know that this is 2 power, this is 2 power, this 2 power x power 3 plus 2 power x equals to 30. And of course you have x, that is 2 power logarithm of 3 to the base 2. And here this is multiplication, it is the same. And plus 2 power logarithm of 3 to the base 2, which is equal to 30. At this stage we can say 2 power logarithm of 3 cubic to the base 2 plus 2 power logarithm of 3 to the base 2, which is equal to 30. At this stage we have base which are equal, to mean that this will be 3 power 3, which is equal to 20, 7 plus 3, which is equal to 30, to mean that our answer is correct. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.